Every once in a while, you'll want some feature on a website that doesn't exist, but it might be pretty easy to make that feature for yourself. You can obviously navigate to a website and run arbitrary code by opening up the console and running your JavaScript there. But if you find yourself doing the same task over and over again, you can make it easier to run all that code as a script that triggers by clicking one of your bookmarks. I'll show you how. Let's go to Google right here, and we will just make a new bookmark and then edit it, say test, and then in the URL, we're going to paste in this. I'll explain it in a second. Go ahead and just click on it, and lo and behold, the JavaScript runs. So what's going on here? Let's look at the JavaScript we pasted in. So this is a link that we're clicking up here, and having just JavaScript with a colon is a keyword that lets the browser know we're running JavaScript. These parentheses on the outside just say execute this inner part, and the inner part is a self-invoking anonymous function. These parentheses at the end of it right here just mean execute, and the first line is just alert, and then you've got a second line void. Calling void 0 basically just gives you access to the primitive undefined, and that's exactly what you want in this case. Remember, because this is a link, whatever is returned from this function is you're just going to navigate to that. So you really just want undefined so it doesn't take you anywhere, and you got to execute all this code as a side effect in the meantime. So why would you want to do anything like this? Good question. Here's a slightly less contrived example on Google. Let's say you've got some big form that you have to fill out over and over again, and it's always like the same. Here's an example of how you can select an input field right here, and then you can change the value to something, and then you can find the submit button just below it, and then you can click on it, and then obviously void 0 at the end. So let's copy that, go back and edit our bookmark, and paste that in, and give it a test, and it navigates us to the search results. You can also change the outcome of the script based on the user input by using the prompt, like so. Go to the console, call a function, it pops up this. So you can type in whatever, and that returns to a function which will be executed as an argument to prompt. Hopefully you can see how this might be helpful for automating some of your more boring tasks by creating a custom experience that's overlaid onto the original website. Good luck.